Back to my channel. This is AE Beauty Glams. You're welcome back. Yeah, welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, the reason why we are here today or today's video is all about how to build up your makeup kit as a beginner. So please, as a beginner, you don't need much product or much item to start your makeup. So please, without wasting much time, let's go straight in. Welcome back. Okay, the first thing you need in your makeup kit or in your makeup kit is you need to have a wiper. A wiper. Yes, you need to have a wiper. This is the first thing that you need, because when you are starting a makeup, you need to wipe the face. You clean up the dirt or the dead skin or whatever on your face before you start doing your makeup. So the first thing that you need is a wiper. This is how it looks. We have different types of wiper. Yeah, it depends on you. So first thing that you need in your makeup kit is a wiper. Okay, before you start doing your makeup, you need to have brush. The brushes, the things that you are going to use to apply the makeup on your face. I have a set of a few brushes here that I wanted to show you that you need in your makeup kit as a beginner. Yes, you don't need much brush. Some few brushes that you need as a beginner. Okay, this is the powder brush. This is how it looks, how fluffy it is. This is the powder brush. This is the brush that you need for your powder. This is how it looks. And my second brush is your foundation brush. This is a fluffy angle brush that you use for your foundation. But this is how it looks. This is how it looks, how fluffy it is. As you can see, that is an angle. Yes, this is a brush that you need. Okay, the third brush on my list is your highlighting brush. Some people can use different brush for it, but you can use this as your highlighter brush. Yes, this is the second brush, the third brush, excuse me. And brush, your blush, yeah, your blush. Yes, this is the brush that you use for it. So this is the fourth brush, and this is your concealer brush. This is your concealer brush. This is a flat angle brush that you use to conceal your brow. Yeah, this is what you need. Yeah, this is how it is. It's an angle brush, but it's not fluffy as the other ones. So this is how it is. You make sure that it's an angle brush. Maybe someone can use different brush, but this brush is good. And last brush on my list is your spoolie brush. Your spoolie brush. You use it to brush your eyebrow well before you draw. Yes, this is what you need to use to draw your eyebrow before starting your eyebrow. Need in your makeup kit is your pencil. Your pencil. This is how it looks. But me, I prefer the Davis pencil number 3. Yes, this is how the pencil look. But please, for beginner, you don't need a black pencil to draw your eyebrow. Please, no. Hell no. You need a brown pencil. Yes, a brown pencil. But you can also use a black pencil for your lining. Yeah, to draw your or to line your eye, whatever. You can use the black pencil, but no for black pencil as your eyebrow pencil. No, use the brown pencil to draw your eyebrow. Yes. And the next thing that you need in your makeup kit is the primer. Primer. Yes, primer. Primer. Because in applying your makeup, you need something that can hold the foundation in place. So this is what can hold the foundation in place. So you need to have this in your kit. We have different types of primer, yes, so go for what is good for you, then you are good to go. Now the next thing in your makeup kit is a concealer. Because you need a concealer to conceal your brow, the highlighting and co. So please, this is a concealer. We have different types of concealer that you can use, so try and get a concealer in your kit. The next thing on my list is a foundation. Yes, foundation. We have different foundation, but before you go for a foundation, please look at your skin type or your undertone skin before you go for a foundation. You can't go for any foundation. If you are dry skin, go for oily foundation, or yes, but if you are, let's say you are oily skin, go for matte foundation. But please look at your undertone before you go for any foundation. And the next thing on my list is a pressed powder. Because applying the foundation, you need some powder to set your foundation. So this is a pressed powder. We have different type of pressed powder, please, but go for the pressed powder that matches your skin. That will be good for you. So the next thing that you need is a powder. Okay, the next thing that you need in your items or to build up your makeup kit is the mascara. Yes, you need to pop up that lashes on you. So you need to pop it. You need mascara in your item. Now the next thing is the lipstick. Yeah, the lipstick and the lip gloss. You need to have this thing in your items, in your makeup kits. You need to have the you need to have this in your product. Okay, then last but not the least, you need to have a certain spray. It's going to keep your makeup all day long, so you need a certain spray in your makeup kits. So I think these are the most important things that you need as a beginner. You don't need much, but in this video I have separated items in two parts. So these are the most important things that you need. So the second part of this video is I think the things that are not that important. So the moisturizer, okay, the moisturizer too, you need it, because sometimes when you're applying the foundation, or you need let's say a moisturizer to apply it on your face before you can apply your primer and everything. Yes, now I think you don't need brush, but if you want to add it to your items, you can buy it. Yes, I think you don't need it for now, but if you think you need it, you can get it, you add it to your kit. Okay, and my last item over here is the highlighter. Yes, the highlighter. You know, as a beginner, I don't think you need it, but if you think you need it or whatever, you can add it to your items. Yes, because as a beginner, I think the only thing that you need is your primer, your foundation, your lipstick, your concealer, your pencil, and yes, your brushes. That's all that you need. So the last one is highlighter. If you want it, you can go for it and add it to your items. So this is all that I have for you today. I think these are the items that you need to build up your makeup kit as a beginner. So I hope you enjoy it, and please, if you do, please give me the thumbs up, and please press the notification button to be the first person to watch my video anytime any video is out. And please subscribe. I support subscribe, and thank you. Hope to see you on my next video. Bye.